At NARS, we believe the complexion should truly look like skin. Let me show you how to create a matte, modern finish in just 4 steps. After you've applied your skincare, start with primer. I'm using the Smooth and Protect SPF primer. Apply a small amount evenly on the face. It blurs imperfections and smooths, providing a perfect base for your foundation. It also delivers high sun protection and shields against pollution. If you want more coverage, you're going to use the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. Remember this formula, you need to give it 1 shake, and 1 pump is all you're going to need for the whole face. If you use the fingertips, the warmth from your fingers will melt the foundation into your skin, creating more natural finish. This ultralight formula lasts up to 16 hours. What I love about the matte finish is that it looks fresh and modern, never flat. Next, I'm going to use concealer. The Soft Matte Complete Concealer is so lightweight, it blends effortlessly. This high coverage formula is perfect for correcting dark under eye circles. This formula works well on blemishes and imperfections. I'm going to stipple the product on and blend out the edges seamlessly. To finish the look, set with powder. I'm using the Soft Velvet Loose Powder to ensure that her foundation lasts all day. To control oil, place more powder next to the nose and in the T-zone. Before setting the under eye with powder, you want to pat the concealer and set with just a light wash of powder.